All right, friends, we're still learning about the consonant LE syllable. And today, remember, our objective is to read, write, and spell multisyllabic words with that consonant LE syllable. All right, in these sentences, you are going to find words that have the consonant LE syllable in it. Remember that syllable normally comes at the end. For example, the first sentence is, Sable began to haggle over the price of the jungle gem. Sable has a B, L-E, so the consonant B and then L-E, so I would circle the word sable. Haggle has the word, or has the consonant G and then L-E, so I would circle the word haggle. Jungle, again, has the consonant G and then the L-E, so I would circle the word jungle. So in that first sentence, I'm circling 3 words, sable, haggle, and jungle. Please pause the video now and work through the rest of the sentences. All right, now let's review listening for syllables and spelling multisyllabic words by the syllable there. So the first word we're going to spell is brittle. What's the word? Let's tap out the syllables for brittle. Brit-tle. How many syllables did you hear? If you said 2, you are correct. So let's say the first syllable as we write it. Brit. Put Brit in the first box. The second syllable is toll. Spell toll in the second box. And when I put them together, I have the word brittle. The next word is rattle. What's the word? Let's tap out the syllables. Rat, toll. First syllable is rat. Please write rat in the first box. And the word is rattle. First syllable rat. Second syllable toll. Write toll in the second box. The next word is noodle. What's the word? Let's tap out the syllables. We have new, dull, noodle. In the first box, please put new. In the second box, put dull. And when we put them together, we have noodle. Please have the substitute put rattle and noodle up on the whiteboard so you can check your spelling. All right, and for our final activity today, we are going to read Mabel and Gable play Scrabble. Please read that to a partner.